everyone, this is CJ here over at Full Throttle Powersports, located in Swanzey, New Hampshire. Today we're going to be taking a look at one of our pre-owned motorcycles, this 2025 Kawasaki Ninja 500 SC with ABS. The 2025 Kawasaki Ninja 500 SC with ABS delivers sharp styling, smooth power, and modern technology in a lightweight sport bike package. Powered by a 451cc parallel twin engine, it offers responsive performance that's perfect for both new riders and experienced enthusiasts. The SC ABS model adds premium features like a full-color TFT display with smartphone connectivity, LED lighting, and advanced ABS braking for added control and confidence. With aggressive bodywork and a comfortable riding position, the Ninja 500 SC is built for daily rides, weekend escapes, and everything in between. Available now at Full Throttle Powersports in Swanzey, New Hampshire. Call us at 603-357-7999 to learn more or schedule a test ride now.